If you're looking to clean up your TikTok profile and remove all the reposts you've made, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. First, let's quickly talk about what reposts are. Reposting is a feature that allows you to share someone's video directly to your followers. As you can see, we can repost it directly to our profile. It's similar to sharing or retweeting on other platforms, but it stays on your profile. However, if you've reposted a bunch of videos and want to clear up your feed, it can be a bit annoying since TikTok doesn't give you a bulk option to delete it. Now, okay, let's jump into the steps. Unfortunately, TikTok doesn't offer a one-click option to delete all reports at once, but here's the easy way to delete them manually. Open a TikTok app, go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom. Once you're on your profile page, tap the repost section at the top or find the repost under your video. Now scroll through your reposted videos, tap on any videos that you want to remove. Now tap on the share button again and click on remove repost. Go back, and as you can see, the repost will be removed, and just like that, repost is removed from your profile. Now, since TikTok doesn't allow you to delete all reposts at once, you'll need to manually remove each one using the steps I showed you, but there's a little workaround to speed up the process. Go to your profile, tap the repost section to see all your reposted video. Tap on each reposted video one by one, and when you tap the three dots, select remove repost for each one. While this won't delete them all in one go, you can work through them quickly by using this method. Now, if you want to avoid cluttering your profile with repost in the future, here's a cute tip. Instead of reposting, you can simply like videos to save them to your profile, or actually save them to see videos. You can find your saved videos over here. So instead of reposting, you can simply like or save the video. So there you have it. That's how you can delete all your reposts on TikTok and keep your profile clean.